Korean sandwiches. Toast. Toast sandwich. It's very thick. Huh. It's funny.
맛있어.
It's not really like a complicated dish, right?
No.
But like I remember like picking these up on the way to school or like as a snack, you know, quick lunch.
And it fills you up.
Yeah. Is it just ketchup?
And sugar.
Oh, ketchup and sugar. That's right.
설탕 더 넣을 걸.
No. I didn't think of this as like a personal comfort food for me. I guess it is. Like see the guy cooking and making it.
맞아요?
The other half is going to disappear. I will say, yours looks like a McDonald's commercial version of a toast sandwich. Because
Compliment or?
it's a compliment because they would never be this thick. You know what I mean?
No.
It'd be pretty thin.
When you get a hamburger.
Yeah,
restaurant.
like yeah. When you see the hamburger on the McDonald's commercial, like they're nice, big, and plump, and like it's not real. When you get them and when you go to McDonald's, they're like these like saggy hamburgers. But this looks awesome.
Well, it tastes good.
Oh, and it tastes good.
Do you like it with protein? Like ham?
Like a piece of some bacon's good.
I don't.
Oh no.
Good breakfast.